And so, hello dear friends, today we are going to make easy lunch. So it's going to be fast and delicious. So for this lunch we need, as you can see, potatoes, egg and onion. So let's start. First thing that we do is we take the potatoes and we are going to cut them as we need. I will try to cut them smaller in order to they will be prepared well. That's why. So let's start. Yes. So we're done. Yeah, as always, I turned off my camera and I was thinking that I'm shooting, and that's all. That's all. No, as always. Now, guys, I think we missed the process. I cannot cancel it. That's why I will just continue. Now I'm frying potatoes first of all, and you can ask why I started with frying potatoes, not with onions. I will answer you. The reason is in order to have aesthetic and beautiful color of the potatoes, we have to first of all fry potatoes and then we will add onions. Okay. Now we will fry them until it will have a little bit color. And okay. And as I said, we cut potatoes in small size because in order to fry them appropriately. Yes. To the level well done. Yes. You know, they have levels of the meat in the restaurants. They ask what kind of level you want. Well or well done or something else. I think you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, now I think we can add salt. Okay. Cook without salt. You can see the process, guys. Here it is. This is my first time doing this food, and I think and I hope that it will be delicious. Okay, now we add onions. And we will now fry them until onion will die. Yes. Now you can see that it had its. Our potatoes have their gold color, and also onions started dying. We are really near close to the finish. My mom didn't say me that I have to add water, but I think that I have to add a little bit water in order to my potatoes. Second one. Or is this? And we will wait. So guys, I think it's done. Let's check it. Yeah, it looks so beautiful and it's so delicious. Okay, let's put it. Here it is, guys. We'll put some tomatoes as a decoration. And now, guys, bon